This scooter has existed since 2015. Indonesia got it, Thailand got it, Europe got it, but India? Nothing. And now reports suggest Yamaha could finally bring the NMAX 155 to India around 2027. So the real question is, why did Yamaha make Indian riders wait this long? The Yamaha NMAX 155 isn't a new scooter. Yamaha launched it back in 2015 as a global model aimed at markets across ASEAN and developed countries. It came with a liquid-cooled 155cc engine, ABS and maxi-scooter styling that helped it become one of Yamaha's important global scooter models. Meanwhile, in India, Yamaha chose a different path, and that decision may explain why we are still waiting today. By the way, if you enjoy motorcycle market stories like this and not just spec sheet videos, make sure you're subscribed because there are some interesting battles brewing between Yamaha, Triumph and Royal Enfield that most people aren't talking about. Instead of bringing the NMAX, Yamaha introduced the Aerox 155. And honestly, from Yamaha's perspective, that decision probably made sense. The Aerox is sporty, aggressive, and appeals directly to younger enthusiasts. But here's the problem. The Aerox isn't necessarily the scooter most practical buyers were asking for. Many riders wanted something more comfortable, more premium, more touring friendly, which is exactly where the NMAX fits. Quick question. If Yamaha launched the NMAX tomorrow at around the same price as the Aerox, which one would you choose? Comment NMAX or Aerox. I'm genuinely curious where enthusiasts stand on this. What's interesting is that the market looks very different today compared to 2015. Buyers are spending more money on premium motorcycles and scooters, comfort and practicality are becoming bigger priorities. And suddenly, the NMAX doesn't look like a niche product anymore. It looks like a missing product. That's why this story matters. Not because of one scooter, but because it could signal a change in Yamaha's strategy for India. So after more than a decade of global sales, do you think Yamaha should finally bring the NMAX 155 to India? Let me know below. And if you enjoy motorcycle industry stories, market wars and upcoming bike analysis, subscribe to Gears and Pistons because the next story might be even bigger than this one.